Hello! Today I will show you how we can easily create golden text effect in Canva. Let's go to the left side menu, Elements and Frames, and search the letters. Now resize them and adjust. Now let's go to Photos and enter Golden Glitter. And here we can choose free picture and just take it and drag it to the letter. We can add the background. We can adjust transparency, and here you go. We have golden text effect. If you want to learn more how to work with Canva, you can check my new Extensive Canva 2022 Master Course on Udemy. Just go and take it. So I hope you like it, click like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.